I'm Bill Moran. I'm a partner up here with my wife Diane Clark here at Greystone Nature Preserve.
I'm Diane Clark, and I'm the director of Greystone Nature Preserve, also called Greystone Bird, Bat, and Butterfly Sanctuary.
And we decided we could do some of the same sorts of eye-opening activities that we used to do with these young city kids at Job Corps. Figure we can do that right here. We decided that we could do something up here that might make a difference, besides just the two of us living here.
Well, it was right up at the big old Greystone on the top of the hill when the realtor was showing us the property, and we looked out at this extraordinary view of Lake Erie and all the way to Canada, and we realized this is more than we would ever dream of. And we felt it together. We knew right away this wouldn't just be the place of our house, that we wanted to turn this land over to the public to do something that would bond people with nature. So it was really in that moment that we made the decision.
There's such a deficit amongst the young people, not all, but some. A lot of young people don't get to experience the out of doors for whatever reason, whether it's economic or social, but they just don't have those opportunities. We like to be able to offer them those opportunities to play and have fun up here, as well as learn.
Having them immersed in nature in a way that would excite their awe and their appreciation of nature, and also lead to some stewardship of nature, which is one of the very strong objectives of Greystone Nature Preserve.